And today I'm going to make my mom's recipe,
Bael Pana or Bael ka Sharbat. This is Bael, or in English you can say it a stone fruit, and it has got a lot of benefits. It reduces the risk of cancer, it reduces cholesterol. The juice of this bael or apple fruit, if you have regularly, it will help to control your diabetes. It's a hard one. So firstly you need to wash it properly, and then you just break it with a hammer or any hard thing. After breaking it, then just remove the shell. You need the pulp inside it. See, it has lot of fibers and small seeds too. So you have to scoop it out with a spoon and take a bowl and scoop out the pulp into the bowl. It is a seasonal fruit, and it comes in summer only. So do try this recipe, and you can take this in your breakfast, and it will boost your immune system too. And after scooping out the pulp from inside the stone apple, then you just add half a liter of water into it and soak it for about 10 minutes. By soaking out, it will make the fibers soft, so that you can squeeze easily out the pulp. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. After 10 minutes, you can easily squeeze out the fibers and take out the pulp. Just smash it with your hands or with a smasher, and just squeeze it to take out the pulp. This is a very easy and healthy drink to boost your energy during this hot summer. I will squeeze out the pulp as much as possible. After squeezing out all the pulps with the help of a smasher or hand, now I am going to take a strainer and strain out all the pulp which we have squeezed out from the fruit, and transfer it into a bowl and strain out all the pulp from the fruit with the help of a strainer. And now I'm going to add a little more water into this roughage to get some excess pulp if there. So I'm going to add a little bit of water and squeeze out any excess pulp which has been remained here, and discard the roughage. I'm going to discard this roughage because it is of no use. I have taken out all the pulp from here. And today I'm going to make two types of drink. One is Bael smoothie, and the other is Bael Sherbat. So I have divided the juice into two portions. Into one portion I'm going to add, for the smoothie, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, or according to your desire, and add a pinch of salt and half a cup of milk into it. The milk should be cold, and stir it and rest it so that the sugar dissolves. And now for the Bael Sherbat, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of rock salt, and into it I am going to add 1 teaspoon of lime juice and serve it chilled. Bael or stone apple, the fruit itself is a natural sweetener, so you can skip the sugar if you want. Enjoy this smoothie and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And now it's time to serve another drink, that is Bael Sherbat. And my Bael Sherbat is also ready. Stir it a little bit and serve it chilled. Garnish it with some lime and some mint leaves, and enjoy this and beat the heat in this summer. Bye bye, take care, till my next video.